on the pavement, flicker like old film reels. City breathes heavy, lungs filled with steel. Echoes of a time when truth had a sharper edge. Now it's whispers through static, dreams on the ledge. Street lights hum, low frequency confessionals. Life's a beat machine, but ain't nothing professional.
I do feel better than I was yesterday. So that's why it's important that we always practice. It makes perfect pilot.
Vinyl cracks, needle scratching the past. Every rhyme I spit's a shadow that casts. Buildings lean close, eavesdropping on secrets. Voices bounce off bricks, truth in the sequence. Graffiti hieroglyphs, prophets with spray cans.